Hello guys, you're welcome once more to NETH. I'm your tutor Mr. Fuki, and if you're new to the channel, you're highly welcome. Alright, so today we are going to be looking at a problem on exponential equation or indices. So it says solve for x if 128 raised to the power x is equals to what? 0.25. So our simple solution to this is going to be, alright, so the first thing is 0.25, okay? I want to change it to fraction. And how do we change this to fraction? Remember we have 25 here, so we are going to write the 25 as a numerator. The point signifies 1, and these two takes 0 and 0. So that is how to convert it to fraction. Now we can reduce this. I can see that 5 can divide both 25 and 100. So 5 into 25 is 5 times, and 5 into 100 is 20. We can still reduce it one more step. So 5 into 5 is 1, and 5 into 20 is 4. Now this is what 1 over what? 4 means what? 2 times 2, alright? Which we can write as 1 over what? 2 raised to the power 2 in form of what? Indices. Now which, if we apply our principle of indices, we can also write this like this, applying the inverse what? Principle. So the next thing is we have 128. I also want to express 128 in terms of 2's. So we have 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, times 2 is 32, times 2 is 64, times 2 is 28. So we can write this as 2 raised to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright? Now, having gotten these two steps, we can now easily solve the problem by inputting, instead of 128, we are going to put 2 raised to the power 7, and instead of 0.25, we are going to put 2 raised to the power minus what? 2. So let's do that. So this is going to be 128 raised to the power x, which is equal to 0.25. Now this will take 2 raised to the power 7, so 2 raised to the power 7 multiplied by x outside the bracket. And 0.25 is going to be 2 raised to the power what? Minus what? 2. Alright, so with that, we can now have 2 more steps and arrive at our answer. So remember, this is going to multiply that, so we have 2 raised to the power what? 7x. Okay? Applying the principle of indices such that if I have a raised to the power n in bracket n, this means a raised to the power what? N times n. Okay? So it means 7 will multiply x like we have here. So we have it as 7x, which is equals to what? We have 2 raised to the power what? Minus 2. Now, having solved it to this point, you can realize or observe something, that 2 is equal to 2, or they are of what? The same basis. So we can say compare the equation. You see that 2 is equal to 2. So 2 is equal to 2. And it means 7x is going to be equals to what? Minus 2. So the powers are going to be equal. Now from this, we can now divide both sides by 7. These will cancel out this, so we are left with x, which is equals to what? Minus 2 over 7. So this gives us the final solution to this simple problem. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video. Please the like button, don't forget to share, and make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'll see you guys in my next one. You take care, bye.